Okay, a little introduction to the condorcet method. Okay, in the condorcet method of voting, every voter fills out a ballot, lists his or her entire preference list. For example, a voter must have a preference D is greater than A, is greater than C, is greater than B, which means that he or she would prefer D most, A second most, C third most, and B least. Remember, in a plurality election, this voter would only have been able to cast a single vote. Now, in the condorcet method, what we're going to do is pairwise comparison. We're going to just go head-to-head with two candidates at a time using their preferences. So, for example, if I was looking at just Carson and Cruz right now, which I'm going to use CA for Carson, CR for Cruz, in the first line, Carson had more votes than Cruz. So Carson's going to get those 9 votes. In the second, same is true. Carson is ahead of Cruz. And likewise, I guess everywhere that Carson was first, obviously is going to be greater than Cruz. In the next grouping, Cruz is winning those votes. But now as we go to the next votes, again, where Rubio is first, again, Rubio's not in our little condorcet pair right now. So Cruz wins these 5. Or, sorry, Carson wins those 5. In the next election, Cruz wins those 11. In the next, Carson won. So on and so forth, for the rest of this election. Now we just have to get the grand total. So in this first head-to-head battle, Carson versus Cruz, Cruz wins 34-32. Cruz is our winner in that head-to-head pairing. And so we do the next thing with Carson and Rubio. Again, Carson's going to win these first grouping. Carson's also going to take those 2, and this one, these 2, and the rest will go to Rubio, and we total. And in this pairing, it looks as though Rubio is our winner. So likewise, in a head-to-head Carson versus Trump, Carson gets 44, Trump gets 22, our winner, Carson. Similarly, Cruz takes Rubio 35-31. And also, Cruz takes Trump 37-29. And finally, Rubio takes Trump 38-28. So Cruz is our condorcet winner. In summary, Cruz beat Rubio. Cruz beat Carson. And Cruz beat Trump. In conclusion, while Cruz is our winner, our condorcet winner, the one flaw of the condorcet method is we won't always have a clear condorcet winner. That is an issue. That would really ruin an election. Cruz is clearly, though, in this case, the condorcet winner.